Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate Rosewood partial sector access firmware repair and data recovery case study. And from the COM terminal, we can see the operations we have made on this pension drive. We back up the ROM, generate unlock ROM, and then send its unlock key. After that, we can try to check the modules, and we can unlock this drive permanently so that it's easier for us to run the auto repair for the partial sector access problem. And this one is easy. And after that, we can go to the menu called Defect Management. And then we go to the menu Engine List, this one, and we can clear Engine List and then wait for 0 to make sure there are 0 entries returned. After that, we can go to the translator operations, and we can use this menu, regenerate translator LM. So this function will help us to fix the partial sector access problem automatically for this Rosewood ST1000LM035. And this function is very helpful. From the log window, we can see in the very beginning, there are only very limited, about 120 GB which are accessible. But after this auto repair, we can see that the available data arrow is increasing a lot, from 120 GB to 250 GB, and then we can see 350 GB, and more data arrow is released. That means this data arrow can be accessed successfully. Now we can see that there are about 500 GB data which is accessible now after auto repair. So this one is very helpful to use the DFL Seagate auto repair for the translator of the Seagate Rosewood hard drives. Now this menu, because this drive was worked on by other data recovery companies, but they failed to fix the partial sector access issue. So the user is now using the DFL Seagate firmware repair tool to run the auto repair, and after some time, we believe this pension drive will be fixed properly and the whole data arrow will be accessed. Thank you for watching the video.